boys and girls, it's Miss James, and welcome back to another third grade ELA lesson. What will we learn about today? Text features, part 4. In today's lesson, you will read another science article using what you learned about text features to locate information to better understand the topic. Our standard today is RI5, which reads, use text features and search tools such as keywords, sidebars, and hyperlinks to locate information relevant to a given topic quickly and efficiently. We also have RI7, which reads, use information gained from illustrations such as maps and photographs and the words in a text to demonstrate understanding of the text, such as where, when, why, and how key events occur. Our I can statement is, I can use text features and pictures to quickly locate relevant and useful information on a given topic. Our learning target today reads, by using special text features and search tools, you can find important information quickly and easily. And our academic talk vocabulary words are text features, sidebars, search tools, headings, keywords, and hyperlinks. And we'll use these words and phrases to talk about the text. In our last lesson, we read the science article, How Plants Live in a Desert, and used text features to better understand the topic. We used the title, the headings, keywords, the photograph, and the sidebar to help us learn how plants live in a desert. Our article today is titled Oddball All-Stars. But before we read our article, let's scan it and take a look at our text features. Use your Nearpod pen to circle the text features that you can identify, as I do the same. Well, first off, I see the title, Oddball All-Stars. So I know I'm going to circle that. That tells me what this article is going to be about. I also see a picture of a map. That tells me where these penguins live in the world. I see a heading over here, turn up the heat. And another heading over here, keeping cool. Did you see the key words? I did too. I see one that reads tropical, and this one down here that reads adaptations. I can tell they're key words because they're bolded. I also see the photograph down here and this sidebar over here. So I'll make sure to put a big circle around this. These text features help me realize that the genre of this article is a nonfiction informational text. Great job finding all those text features. Boys and girls, as I read the article aloud, read along with me. Pay close attention to the article as well as the text features so we can better understand what the author wants us to learn. Over here in this box to the left, it reads words to know. The words are current and coast. As you read, look inside, around, and beyond these words to figure out what they mean. Are you ready? Here we go. Oddball All-Stars by Jody Wheeler-Toppin. Turn up the heat. Paragraph 1. The Galapagos Islands are home to some unusual penguins. They swim, they waddle, they lay eggs. They do the same things other penguins do, but they do them on tropical islands where the rocks can get hotter than 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. It's so hot that the penguins' eggs will cook if they are left out in the sun. What are penguins doing in the tropics? Scientists think the first penguins got to the Galapagos by following a cool current. It flows up the coast of South America. Now small changes, called adaptations, let them live where it's too hot for other penguins. Keeping cool. Paragraph 3. When people are hot, sweat helps them cool off. But birds can't sweat. At the hottest time of the day, Galapagos penguins hang out in the cool water. But eventually, they have to return to land. And when they do, their feathers trap heat like a heavy winter coat. Paragraph 4. Unlike Antarctic penguins, Galapagos penguins have bare skin around their beaks, on their feet, and under their flippers. When they need to cool off, they strike a funny pose. They hunch over to keep the sun off their feet. Then they hold their wings out to let the wind blow across the bare places. The wind carries the heat away. They also open their mouths and pant like dogs. Galapagos penguins protect their eggs by building nests under the shade of rocks out of the sun. Here, on this sidebar card, it's titled Galapagos penguins. The scientific name is Phoenicus mendiculus. Their home base is the Galapagos Islands off the coast of Ecuador. And their size is 21 inches, or 53 centimeters tall, which is a little bigger than a newborn baby. Good job following along, boys and girls. Let's see if we can answer the questions on the next slide. Now think. Use what you learned from reading the selection to respond to these questions. Look at this question to the left. It reads, what key words are called out in this article? Are they A, oddball all-stars, B, scientific name, home base, size, or C, tropical and adaptations, or D, penguin hide and seek? Go ahead and grab your pencil if you're working in your packet and circle the letter for your answer now. Or if you're in the Nearpod, take your Nearpod tool and circle your correct answer. Boys and girls, if you circled the letter C, you are correct. Tropical and adaptations were the key words that were in bold in the article. Now let's look at the right side. This question has two parts. First, answer part A, then answer part B. Part A. According to the section, Turn Up the Heat, how are the Galapagos penguins different from other penguins? Is it A, they prefer the cold? B, they've adapted to live in tropical heat? C, the penguins pant like dogs? Or D, scientists paint some birds to help them cool off? Go ahead and select your answer with either your pencil or your Nearpod tool right now. Boys and girls, did you choose the letter B? If you did, you are correct. They've adapted to live in tropical heat. Part B. Which fact from the section Turn Up the Heat best supports the answer to part A? Is it A, the penguin eggs will cook if left out in the sun? B, penguins followed cool currents to reach the Galapagos? C, other penguins cannot survive in the Galapagos? Or D, the birds are about 21 inches tall? Go ahead and choose your answer now with either your pencil for your packet or your Nearpod tool. Boys and girls, the answer is C. Other penguins cannot survive in the Galapagos. Great job answering those questions. So let's wrap up and review. Authors of science articles use text features such as titles, headings, keywords, sidebars, search tools, and hyperlinks to point readers to important information they want them to know and understand. Congratulations, boys and girls, you made it to the ticket out the door. Your assignment reads, the Galapagos penguins are different from Antarctic penguins. How have they had to change in order to survive in the tropics?